the workshop. So we've come down to Tobacco Dock in London for the Bike Shed show. That is what it's called, isn't it?
Yeah, bike shed, motorcycle club show thing,
We've actually only come down because Freddie's here and we're checking up on the condition of the bike. He's had it for a week now. We've been looking around, there's plenty of bikes here. It's lovely, isn't it? It's so relaxed.
It really is. We've been to quite a few motorcycle show events. And
Nothing
I've got
like
to say, this setup is one of my favourites.
It's chilled out, there's bikes just randomly just scattered about the place. It's not like a big hall where you just got a row of bikes, is it?
No.
It's all in around the vendors and food vendors and stuff.
It's lovely and warm. There's loads of places to eat and drink.
Plenty busy enough to have an atmosphere, but we'll have a look around. We could just show people some bikes.
Yeah.
So we've had a lovely day.
I have had a really lovely...
A lot of bikes. Emily's got the bug.
Day. I have got the bug. I've got the bug to wonder if the Honda that we're going to build, that I'm going to build, I am curious if I can show it at the bike shed next year. I'll have to have a see.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have really enjoyed today. Never been before. It was an absolutely fantastic show. Lots of nice bikes, lots of food, lots of drinks, lots of places to sit and mooch
some
around.
very friendly people.
Really friendly people. That's been the highlight of my day. Like all the people being really nice. And we listened to a talk as well with Charlie Bowman. I want to call him Bowman. That's why I hesitate and look at you because I can't. Yeah, but that was really good as well. I really enjoyed it, and I would definitely recommend coming.
Next year.
Really good show.
Especially if we've got a bike on show.
Yeah.
But yeah, should we get some dinner?
Might be a pie in the sky idea, but we like to dream.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Come on then, let's go get some dinner.
Thanks for watching.